Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. We just learned how to rough in a three-way switch. Now let's step it up a little bit and try a four-way switch. Installing a four-way switch means you can now turn on the light from 3 locations. You may be thinking, oh great, super confusing. Why is it called a four-way if you only have 3 locations? Well, the easiest way I can explain it is that this switch here, the four-way switch, can be turned on 4 different ways. It can be turned on by flipping the switch up, flipping the switch down. It can be turned on by flipping this switch over here, or it can be turned on by flipping this switch over here. The current can be configured 4 different ways. To add a 4-way switch to our current configuration, we want to run another 14-3 wire from either of the 2 3-way switches to a new box. Whichever one you run the new 14-3 wire from, that box is where you install the 4-way switch. If you run it from this box, this becomes your 4-way switch. If you run it from over here, this becomes your 4-way switch. The 4-way switch always goes between the 2 3-way switches because you need 2 sets of travelers to hook up to a 4-way switch. You need 2 14-3 wires. Now we need to make up this box differently. The goal is still to have a hot on one side of the 3-way and the switch leg on the other. The 4-way is just for the travelers. Originally, we were using this box as the hot and this one where the switch leg goes. Since we add the 14-3 to this box, we need to send over the switch leg to our new box using the white wire. Just like how we sent the hot wire over when we were doing an end of the line 3-way. Put the ground with the grounds, the neutrals all stay together, the white wire connects to the switch leg, and now you have your 2 sets of travelers. Wrap them together and tuck it back in the box. Over here, you wrap the white wire around the travelers, signifying it as the point. Don't forget to like our page and please subscribe for a link to more videos.